When INFJs break, most people will never see an INFJ truly snap. Why? Because we suppress it so well. But when it happens, when we reach our breaking point, it's like a volcano erupting after centuries of dormancy. Imagine a person who has been silent for years suddenly standing up and speaking their mind. Raw, unfiltered, and unstoppable. Imagine someone who has always been accommodating suddenly refusing to bend. Imagine kindness turning into cold, calculated decisiveness. When an INFJ embraces their evolve, it is not reckless rage. It is precise, it is intentional, and it is final.